Hi guys, it's Marty Dread here from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video we're going to be covering how to add HTML to WordPress. We can add our HTML code to WordPress pages, posts, and widgets. Sometimes we're going to need to add HTML code to our WordPress site for things like Adsense ads or pre-formatted pages and posts. For this example, I'm going to be using this piece of HTML code, which represents this table. I'm going to be adding it to one of my blog posts, but if I was adding it to a page, the steps would be exactly the same. So to add HTML code to WordPress pages and posts, we just need to open up the page or post in the editor and then find where we're wanting it to go. If we already have text and images and things added to the page already, you might want to add some kind of placeholder text, as this is going to make the next part a lot easier. As you can see, I've already added mine, and it says insert table here in all caps. So just type something like insert HTML in all caps, and it's going to make the next bit easier. Once we've added our placeholder text, we can just click up in the top right where it says text, and this is going to change our page or post into HTML. Now we just need to copy our HTML code and then paste it in instead of our placeholder text. Once we do this, we can change it back from text to visual in the top right, and we should see whatever the HTML code represented now appears in the editor. Now all we need to do is update our page or post, and then when we visit it, we'll see that the HTML code has been successfully added to our site. Then the last thing I want to mention is that if we want to add HTML to our WordPress widgets, we just need to click and drag the HTML widget into one of our widget areas, then paste our code in here. Then when we save our changes and visit our site, we'll see that the HTML is now live in our widget area. So that's how to add HTML to WordPress pages, posts, and widget areas. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this one every week. Once again, my name's Marty Dread from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.